How is it going, everyone? Welcome to Investment for Beginner. My name is Andy, and in this channel, I go over some of the basic introduction to investment, retirements, and a touch of finance. My goal in this channel is to share experience and knowledge with those who are interested in learning how to start investing and give tips and advice to be a better investor. But do keep in mind that I am not a licensed financial advisor and everything in my video is based on my personal experience. With that said, I read some interesting stuff from Reddit about how poorly some of the financial advisors do their job with no best interest for their client. So just, you do you. So this is our weekly update number 6, and I have to say it has been a very good week as well. Just to give you a broad idea, since February 3rd until February 14th, my portfolio went from 51,000, right here, 51,000 to over 55,000, a gain of over $4,000, which is almost 8% total gain from just 2 weeks. It's great that the stock market bullish run is just keep breaking new records, but boy, this is making small part of me a little nervous for the next market crash because I feel like it is going to be really bad crash because we had extraordinarily great run. Obviously, I have no concrete evidence or information to back this up, but it's just from what I see that we have been on this bull run since 2009. That's a very long time for stock market to be doing exceptionally well without crashing. Before we begin our weekly report, I do want to let you know about the fourth quarter report from the companies from S&P 500 starting February 10 to February 14. There are some familiar and popular company we all know, but none of the big and famous company in this week. But if you're interested to see all the company that was released for this week, give it a pause and check out the list. Alright, so starting from the Monday the 10th, we opened with $53,746, which was Friday closing. By the way, Monday was the biggest gain from that week with $1,190, which pushed the portfolio to $54,936. Tuesday, US Court allowed T-Mobile and Sprint to merge together, which allows Sprint stock to increase more than 70%. As for my portfolio, we didn't see much different, a loss of $13, which lowered the amount to $54,923. Wednesday, we have a gain of $264, which increased the portfolio to $55,187, breaking the 55,000 mark for the first time ever. We have 5 more thousand to go until we hit that 60,000 mark. Thursday, we lose a little bit of Wednesday gain, a loss of $155, which brought back the portfolio to $55,032, just barely above the 55,000 mark. Friday, we received a good portion of gain, $352 to be exact, and this pushed the portfolio to all-time high at $55,384. So this week, just looking at the chart, we see some really good growth, not as much as last week. Beginning of the 10th, we start with the Friday closing, which was $53,746, and on the 14th, we closed at $55,384. For this week, we have gain of $1,638. I don't think I had 2 straight weeks of ridiculously strong growth like this, let alone $4,000 in a single month. But we still have 2 more weeks to go before the February comes to close, so the 4,000 gain can definitely drop, but just as opposite, it could go higher. With the coronavirus still looming with no ends of sight, I feel the stock market should be slowly getting affected, but US market continue to resist. That's gonna be it for the weekly update number 6. I hope you enjoyed the update of how the portfolio is doing. If you feel comfortable with sharing your portfolio, give it a shout out in the comment section below. Has your portfolio been gaining with all the bullish run the US stock market has been going through? Or were you unfortunate to miss the run? Thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoy any of the other video, consider subscribing so you won't miss out on future videos. and super smashing the like button is always appreciated. And as usual, invest wisely.